Saint-Gobain Glass production here in Dąbrowa. On my left side, you can see raw materials, mainly sand, soda, lime, and of course, cullet. We gather all the cullet which comes from the external work, from the recycling company or from our processing line. It means that we can use it as a raw material in our process. Inside in the furnace, we have like 1500 degrees. Here we can see the melting process of the raw material. Here we have tin bath where we can shape the glass. We just cool the glass very slowly from 570 degrees till 80. Here we can see what's going on in the shaping phase. We can manipulate the thickness of the glass. We are able to produce very thin glass like 1.1 millimeter up to even 12 millimeters. Then it's okay to cut it into the final shapes. Then it's ready to go to the warehouse and you can see it right here.